Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change automation frequency cap here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, we would need to adjust the frequency settings within the trigger block of that specific automation workflow. Let's say, for example, I have here a banded card. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, and let's wait for it to load. And once it loads, here we have the trigger block. Okay, so what you'll do is just click on it. Now go to the right panel and scroll down a bit, and here you have frequency, or the frequency section. As you can see here, you can enable to skip contacts who have already been in this automation. Okay, for example, in the last day, click on this box and you will have a ton of options. Okay, the last day, or at any time, okay, or the last maybe 30 days, or 1 week, or 1 hour. It's up to you. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and skip contacts who are currently in or have recently completed other automations. Okay, if you want to enable this one, just toggle this slider right here and scroll down a bit and you'll have a ton of options as well. Or basically, these are the conditions. Okay, currently in, or completed, or currently in. Okay, select workflows. Right here, as you can see, you will have a list of your pre-made or online workflows, or even disabled workflows. Okay, just go ahead and select one. And then once done, scroll down in the last 7 days, or 1 day, 2 days right here, whatever you want. Just click on save and then update right here. After that, save and close, and you're good to go. All right. And by the way, you could also use delays. Okay. Let's say when this trigger event happens right here, automatically it will send an email. All right. So once the email has been sent, Omnisend right here will wait for about 11 hours and then send another email. And after that, wait for another 12 hours and Omnisend right here will send another email. Okay. If you want to add in delays, you can go ahead and go through the flow action right here. Just drag and drop, and maybe at the very last stage, you'd want to add SMS. All right. And there you have it. That is how you change automation frequency cap here in Omnisend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.